Savage Siren. This is another themes and ideas video. This will be summer ideas. To start off with, even with everything going on, there's still a bunch of ideas you can go out and do or stay home and do that are still going to be summer ideas. Preferably the summer part being, getting out of the house but still staying within your comfortability, I guess. Start with like the beach. The beach would be super fun. You can do it in the water. You can have somebody take pictures of you in the water or on the beach in a bikini, shorts, surfing, fishing. There's so many different things just at the beach or on the lake that you can go and do that you can still incorporate into like your content creation if you're going to do any while you're there. Of course, being careful that like your phone or whatever does not drop in the water, obviously, but it's still something fun you can go and do. The next one would be like your hobbies, your outside hobbies. If you're four-wheeling, dirt biking, fishing, camping, you're on vacation, anything you go and do, you can go and do content while you're there because it's something different than what you're used to at home or your studio or wherever you're making content. So make sure you take pictures while you're there. Even like maybe you're not comfortable, but like there's woods or it's just outside and you're obviously however you want to be. So another fun one I want to do is smoke bombs because you can't be around people anyways when you do those because like you want the effects, but like smoke bombs would be super fun to do outside. If you can find like old abandoned buildings that's you still away from people, you can go out and do that. Railroad tracks, going out and like walking around the lake to like a secluded spot where you can like do whatever. And then more with hobbies, like if you're into racing, that's another really good one. If you like to go out and just nature, like do hikes, go up into mountains, go wherever you're looking, that's something fun you can do. Longboarding, skateboarding, biking, like anything you're outside doing, you're just going on a walk. Like anything you do, you can make content while you're doing it. And that's the best part. Another one besides like in the woods. Anytime you go in the woods, like look for like fallen trees or like different scenes that aren't like that will make a good prop essentially while you're out there and looking around. The same with like if you go on trails or bridges or stuff like that. See if like there's anything, like even if you're just going to the river, by the river for a little bit and you find like a cool bridge with graffiti, like you're set. There's so many different things. And then you can start of course with like the summer things like doing bubbles and the sprinkler, or even if you're into baseball, like you got a uniform, baseball, softball, football, any sports you're doing as well, along with like cheerleading, gymnastics, you can actually take all of that and go outside and take pictures now. Or even if you're doing festivals, like you can take pictures at the festivals before, after, however you want to do it. Or even just having like your costumes for like the Renaissance Festival, raves, or like the outfits you love wearing when you go out to concerts or whatever. You can go and actually go outside and take them in like whatever you want or wherever you want in the city. Okay, preferably not in the city if you're trying to stay away from people. But like there's so many different places that now you can actually take out your outfit out, go out, take pictures, make TikToks, make content, do whatever you want. There's so many different things that you can still go out and do even if you're not comfortable being around other people. So this is a good time for you to like work on extra content even though you're stuck at home, or not stuck at home, stuck social distancing from everybody else. This gives you good time for you to go and explore and do like other things. So if you have any more questions, comments, I'm sure I missed a bunch. I know I did. But comments, questions below. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and keep coming back and following for more.